Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly fix matchmaking errors in Rainbow Six Mobile. Now, if you're stuck on searching or getting a matchmaking failure, the first thing to check is your internet. You want to make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi connection or strong mobile data. Weak or unstable internet is one of the biggest causes of this issue. Next, you want to turn off any VPN you might be using. VPNs can interfere with the game servers and prevent you from finding a match, so disable it completely. If it's still not working, fully close the app and relaunch it. Don't just minimize it, actually force close it. You can also try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to see if that helps. Finally, make sure your game is updated to the latest version if needed. Restart your phone or refresh your network connection. Usually one of these steps fixes the problem right away and you'll be able to queue normally again. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!